everyone, Sam here from Tupperware Sam P. Thought I'd share with you tonight opening my business starter kit. Been really good. This is my first video that I'm filming as well. So I've actually had this here for a couple of days because I wanted to do this with you. Pretty excited. So let's get started and I'll show you what's in our business starter kit if you come and join Tupperware. Okay, so I've got some cardboard. Please make sure you recycle or put in the compost bin. I actually put mine in the compost bin. The worms love it, by the way. Okay, so one thing I have pulled out before because I'm running out of bench space here is the Tupperware trolley kit. As you can see here, this is amazing. It's got a handle. Not so great for the kitchen bench, but as you can see, we've got pretty good quality bag here to fit all of your products in when you're doing your demonstrations or storing them. So can't wait to have a bit of a play and pack everything in here once I'm done. So there's our trolley kit, which I'll just pop over to the side here. All right, now, what do we have in this box? Okay, love these products. Okay, freezer keepers. All of your frozen fruit, veg, meals. Honestly, they're endless. These are amazing. They have saved me hundreds of dollars over the last couple of years, which is what's also got me on my Tupperware journey. I love the product so much using them, I figured that I'd join the Tupperware team. So there's our freezer keepers in our high. What else is there? Again, something I've been using for years. The modular mates. These are fantastic. I actually don't have these. I will show you my pantry one day if I haven't shown you already. But we've got something special in store for these square floors. So stay tuned if you haven't seen that already. Now we've got a few more of the modular mates here. It looks like we've got some selections of the lids, which is good. We've got the rhubarb, which is the current colour that we have in the range at the moment. Greystone, actually really like that, and the traditional black. So they're the colours that we've got at the moment, and also with looks like pour or seals. Really good, especially for the breakfast cereals. So there's a nice selection of the modular mates there, which I can't wait to get cracking. And again, love them. They'll just stack. They're modular. That's what I love about Tupperware. It's so practical. Okay, and here's a few more modular mates. So they're the ovals. What have we got here? I think the oval 2s or 3s? Oval 3s. So we've got those with the rhubarb seals that we've got. Let's see what else we've got. And these are my favourite. I don't know, it's a toss-up between the freezer keepers or the vent smarts. This is why I'm in Tupperware, because honestly, these are the best products in the sun. So we've got our Vent Smart range for all of your fruit and veg for the fridge. And I honestly got almost 3.5 weeks out of strawberries in one of these, so they will save you so much food waste if you can start using these products. So it looks like we've got a low, a high, and a couple of the small highs. So pretty much just in those three, I've been using this stuff for years and I love it, absolutely love it. What else do we have here? The little extra chef. I cannot wait to get cracking using this. I've heard so many good things about it, especially with herbs, because honestly, chopping coriander, parsley, I'm always scared I'm going to lose my fingers. So can't wait to start doing some videos on this and start testing the product and showing you exactly how good they are from everything I've heard. What else do we have here? Okay, might have cheated. I may have gotten a little impatient. I used this one today because I've heard so many good things about it. The micro omelette maker. Now this, I did my lunch in. Oops, I should have washed that out, shouldn't I? See, we'll cut that one out. So 4 minutes, and I had a beautiful ham, cheese, feta cheese, tomato omelette at work today, and I've actually eaten healthy for once. Can't wait to get the rest of the micro set there too. We have some promotional material here. What have we got? The catalogues, which they will be wonderful. They are the spring summer 2020, and honestly, I've heard nothing but good things. Pop your details on the back of these, and people just sell them by leaving them in doctor's surgeries is apparently what I've heard some stories of already. What else have we got here? Trio of dips, chunky dip recipe. Thank you. you'll get to know very soon, I can't cook. I'm useless in the kitchen. I need it written down. So if I have a recipe, I'm okay. I'm really excited to try those. They look really yummy, especially coming into the seasonal time now. And, what have we got here? We have got the Chef Series 2 saucepan. Haven't actually had the pleasure of using any of these yet, so can't wait to get involved and get cracking on how good these are. Again, heard nothing but good things. Third generational Tupperware user in my family, so attest to the product. They last. There's some Tupperware in this kitchen that's actually older than me, to tell you the truth, that I stole from my mum, but shh. Sorry, Mum. Okay, and lastly, what do we have in here? Looks like the Tupperware organiser and planner. It's actually a really good size. Can't wait to start using it. I'll be honest, I'm a bit of an electronic person, but when it comes to my calendar and my to-do list, good old-fashioned paper and pen is how I operate. So that's everything that we've got in the business starter kit, which was available when I signed on. Honestly, I can't wait to get in and actually start using these products. So if this is something that you've enjoyed watching, by all means reach out, contact me, and you can be part of the Tupperware team as well.